Hey, it's KJ. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing you a room tour of a preferred room here at the All-Star Sports Resort. If you guys are new to my channel, I do a ton of Disney videos. I love sharing tips and my experience on what it's like to take little kids to Disney. I do have 3 kids, 5 and under. I have a 5-year-old daughter, a 3-year-old son, and a 1-year-old son. So I love to share, like I said, all of my tips and my experience on what it's like taking little kids to Disney. I also love sharing our experiences on Disney Cruise Line because we are Disney cruisers as well. So if you like any of those things, I would love to have you hit that red subscribe button down below and join our little fam. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Now, without further ado, let's go check out a preferred room here at the All-Star Sports Resort. So coming in here, here's your lock to your door. You have the light that goes on and off over here. So this light actually controls over this way, that light right there. So then over here you have your Hey Disney. Now normally you can say Hey Disney, ours is turned off so it's will not respond, but you could say Hey Disney, what's the weather? Hey Disney, set a timer. Actually, when we stayed at Yacht Club on our last trip, the kids were having a very fun time talking to Hey Disney. But anyway, I digress. So your Hey Disney is over here. You also have a couple of outlets over here, your traditional outlets, and then you have a couple of USBs. Then up here they actually show you how to use the Murphy bed. So they like show you how to lower the bed, and I will actually show Johnny doing that now. So that is how you lower the bed. So here's another view of the Murphy bed. And like I said, I just showed you guys Johnny pulling it down. And it's just, it's nice to put it up just to, be out of the way. And then here, I have one of the strollers over here, but we will move both of them over here as soon as we pull the beds down. So here is the bed pulled down. And then over here, we have the phone. You have a couple of, those lights are on. So you have the lights here. You have a couple of outlets, the USB and the USB-C. And then we have a little storage over here. And then the bed over here, we had our beds made. And I cannot ever remember having a towel animal at any of the Disney resorts. I feel like that's only a cruise thing, definitely not at an All-Star. So this was an extra special treat to have the little towel animal. They gave us a little elephant. I think that is absolutely adorable and oh so fun. Then over here we have the other little floating nightstand with your light. You've got some outlets here. You've got USBs over here. You have the floating shelf. So this is what I used to charge my things last night. And then above the bed here, you have Minnie, Mickey, and Donald with the lights on the side. So that is super, super cute. And then over here, you have Yui, Dewey, and Louie. So over here, though, what the nice thing is, you do have a light switch, so you can turn it on and off, like right above you. You don't even have to get out of the bed. So that is a really, really nice feature as well. And so then over here is the sliding door, the barn door. So this you can keep closed if you like, but let's head inside and I will show you the bathroom area. Here's the door we just came through. Right here it slides, okay? So then you have a closet over here. I have my winter vest because back in New York it is cold right now. Then you have a shelf here. We have some towels up there. Over here you have an ironing board, and they also have an iron over here. Right here, you've got a hair dryer as well. Then you have some shelves if you need some storage. You also have some shelves underneath the sink. We've got an extra box of tissues there. Here is a little hand towel holder. They have one on this side of the sink as well. So lots of storage. Then up here we have our bathroom bag. I have my hair dryer brush. And then over here you have more shelves. And then we have a nice big mirror. Hello. And then here is where we keep all of our toiletries. I have my earrings. I've got, again, all of my toiletries, toothbrushes, toothpaste, that sort of thing. We've got tissues. I've got some cotton pads, Q-tips. I have some Tide to go, or not Tide to go, Tide sink packets, because I will tell you guys, I told you guys this in my pack with me for this particular trip. They are essential. So I've used them the last couple of trips, like just always good to have. And then over here, they have some washcloths. They had 4 when we got to the room. They also had a soap and a little box as well. We have it out now, but they did have soap, and then the washcloths in here. I have my makeup, and then they have a little makeup mirror here, which you can turn the light on and off. Then they have the light switch here, and then the little night light comes on. when you turn it off. So that's nice that when you're looking to use the restroom in the middle of the night, you just have like a little night light. So really like that feature again. So you can see this is the little night light that will come on at night. And if you don't, if like that bothers you for some reason, you can always close the door, like the barn door, so that it's shut, but then you can like see in the bathroom. And then they have a large mirror here to get ready, and like really nice lighting to get ready. And then in here, so we have a door here. You also have a full-length mirror, so that's really nice. So you've got the full-length mirror for when you're getting ready. They have the, I don't know what you call it. It's like some kind of like, it's not a pocket door because you could see it on this side, but they have the door over here. Then you have your towel rack here, which we've already used the towels. You've got extra toilet paper. You've got toilet paper here. There is a garbage can there. They also have the toilet over here, and then you've got your shower. So here is your shower. They have the little thing that pulls out. So if you wanted to hang your wet bathing suits and things, and that hooks to the other side over there. You have your shower head here. It's not really a rainfall, but kind of like a rainfall. Let me know what you guys think. Is this considered rainfall? Not really, but kind of. Let me know in the comments down below. Then you have your tub here. So if you have little ones and you want to put them in the bathtub, you could do that. All three of my kids shower, even my little guy. So here you have the glass doors. So they're like the, what kind of, do you call this? Like where you can't really like see through, but can kind of see through. So they have those here. Then over here, they change the labels on the soap. So you have your body wash, your conditioner, and your shampoo, but it's no longer H2O, but it used to just have like the same kind of design, but now they've completely changed the design. And then here I have my baby shampoo because I label my stuff. Again, here's the hook that you would hook it to. And then over here, you have more towel racks. I told you guys I use the detergent pack, so we have that here. And then they have here your little Happy Conserve water by reusing your towels. And you have a hook here. You have the light for the bathroom, or this part of the bathroom here, and you have another hook over here. So lots of room to hang your towels. And then again, here is the vanity area. So coming out of there, you have these hooks over here. So if you wanted to hang a laundry bag or jackets or towels or whatnot, you could do that over here. Then over here have space for suitcases, or for us, we have a pack and play for our little guys. So if you need room for pack and play, you can only have one pack and play per value room. They don't let you have more than one, or at least in the All-Stars, they don't let you have more than one for fire safety reasons. So we only have the one here. Then over here you have your TV, which my kids are watching right now. And then underneath you have a lot of storage here. So you have your little countertop over here. You've got some outlets where you have your traditional outlets here. You've got a USB and a USB-C outlet. And then down here you have some storage. You have your safe if you need that. So you can use your safe. That's what it looks like inside the safe. So it's a decent amount of space. Just don't forget what your code is if you use it. We have an extra sheet for the pack and play. They also have a Bible in there. And then we have some more storage down here. They actually had the extra pillows and blanket in here, which we did use on the bed. So that is also where those things go. Then over here, you've got your drawers. So you've got 3 drawers over here. We don't unpack. Let me know in the comments down below if you are someone who unpacks when you come to your Disney resort or any hotel, wherever you might be staying, or your B&B or your VRBO or what have you. But again, this is your countertop, and then over here you have another outlet. Same thing, we've got 2 traditional outlets, the USB and the USB-C. And then over here, you have your garbage and your recycle. We keep one of the chairs over here, and then over here, this is your coffee station. Now, we don't really use this station for coffee because John and I are not coffee drinkers, but you do have a Cuisinart coffee maker over here. This is where your ice bucket is. You do have a couple of outlets here, so Johnny was using one of them, so you just have a traditional outlet here. As you guys saw, this turns on the light for over here, which is nice because we actually keep this on at night. That's the only light we keep on, like when Johnny and I are like moving around when the kids are already in bed. And then you have some storage here, which this is actually where I lay our kids' clothes out. I'll lay their clothes for the day or their pajamas. So I'll lay their clothes the night before for whatever we're wearing, and then I'll lay their pajamas out like that morning. So when we come back, like our pajamas are out, and then I actually have my pajamas up there. So that is this little coffee station over here. Then down here, here is all of your coffee things. So you've got your coffee cups here, and you guys see that there's actually like little Mickeys on there. Aren't that so cute? I'm fumbling over my words, guys. I'm tired. So you've got your little Mickeys on here on the coffee cups. They also have some plastic drinking cups if you wanted to use those. Then they have your Joffrey's coffee over here. So you've got your decaf. They probably have regular too. And then you've got like your regular blend. I think they're all either regular or decaf. And you have your to-go travel lids. You've got your sweet and low in sugar. They have some Twinings tea, the green tea, as well as the Earl Grey. I'm sure if they didn't have what you wanted, you could call the front desk and see if they had something else. You've got some stirs and your coffee mate here. And what's nice is it's like the shelf stable one. Down here you have your beverage cooler. So beverage cooler cools to 41 degrees and above. So just remember that it's and above. So this is your beverage cooler. So you can't really keep things that really require anything like to be colder than 41 degrees. So just keep that in mind. But they do have little shelves in here for that. And there is your water. And then now over here is your thermostat. So if you wanted to adjust that, you could. And then over here, it's nighttime now. So here is your window to the outside. Over here with their fancy curtain. And then over here, I just want to show you, you do have a decent amount of space over here. We are able to fit a couple of strollers. We do have the Murphy bed up right now, but when the Murphy bed is down, we can fit both of these strollers over here. And then you are back over here at the front door, and that will conclude our tour. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel a lot. And if you're new and you like the content, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button down below and join our internet fam. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me either a duck or a mouse emoji in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.